Hey beauties, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I posted a video here. Yeah, how are you doing? Hope you've been fine. So I'm going to be using most of the makeup from Temu. So I'm starting with the Sephora Hydrant Primer. This is very good. It really hydrates my skin and keeps my makeup intact all day. Okay, yes, I hope you can see how hydrated my skin looks. So after I go in with a powder in my brows to remove like the excess oils from the brows, yeah, brush it, and then I'm going to be using my shein eyebrow gel for the eyebrows. I'm not using an eyebrow pencil, I'm using the brow gel from shein. It is really very good. So I start by like drawing and then filling in. So I make sure I also fold the natural shape of my eyebrow. This concealer I'm using is also shein. Yes, so I use it at the down part of the eyebrow, and then the upper part I go in with a foundation. The foundation I use is Larin True Match foundation. If you are new on this channel, my name is Sophia Styles, and on this channel we do makeup tutorials, we do DIY natural hair tutorials, skincare, a little bit of everything about beauty. So you're most welcome here. Tap on the subscription button so that you do not miss out on any new video and join the family. So after blending everything, this is how the eyebrows look. Okay, a moment of silence for these eyebrows. Ooh, so True Match foundation. Yeah, blend it in really well. I hope you see the shade match is crazy. Yeah, so I'm going in with a blush. It is old, I've had it for a long time, I've even forgot its name, but it's a good powder foundation. Yes, the concealer I'm using the shein concealer, the one I used on my brows. This concealer is very creamy, so I'm using it at under the eyes, bridge of the nose, the forehead, the chin, and the jawline. For the contour, I am using the NYX Cosmetics Contour Palette. So as I contour, I am allowing my concealer to sit for a bit, and after I am going to be blending everything. This is a bronzer concealer contour palette that I got from Temu, and I'm just going to be applying it as a bronzer. I'm going to be applying it as a bronzer on my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline. Time for setting and baking. I am using this setting powder that I got from Temu as well. Yes, I use it to set and then to bake. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do natural hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, skincare, a lot of beauty tricks and hacks, a lot of beauty everything on this channel. So subscribe, tap on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video. So after setting, I'm going to be using the same powder to bake. Yeah, so I'm going to let the powder sit as I do my eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm starting with the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. So I'm starting with this purplish color, and then I'm going to use a concealer to cut my crease. Yes, so I'm using the same concealer that I used before, the Shiglam concealer, to cut. I'm doing a half crease. So go in with a powder to like set it, and then go in with this light lavender lilac color where I cut my crease. I hope you are seeing. Yeah, so I use a dark color, and then after cutting the crease, I go in with a lighter shade of the color that I use. So a dark purple and this lilac lavender, a glowy color. So these glitters on the line of the crease, I also got them on temu as well. So remember the eyebrow gel that I used for the brows, the Shiglam brow gel. So I'm using the black as my eyeliner. Yes, I'm using it under the eyes and the wings as well. So after I clean with a concealer, I make sure to clean the corners of the eyes too. So I'm going to be dusting off or blending the powder. And can you be honest, how do you like the look so far? Yeah, how do you like it? We're almost done, and I'm really digging this look. I'm using the cheapest. So if you want to start up your makeup journey, you don't need expensive products. You can start with what you have, yeah, and continue upgrading as you know time goes on. I went in with mascara, and the lashes are from Shein. And time from the lips, I start with a powder on the lips, and then I'm going in with a lip liner. It is from temu as well, and the lipstick palette is also from temu that I'm going to be using. So I started with purple, a light purple color. So this lipstick is not matte, it is like glossy. So after the look, I don't need to apply gloss on it. Yes, so these two palettes, they are all from temu. Yeah, so I'm going within pink. Yeah, why pink? I don't know, I feel like these colors complement each other. Yeah, so I'm going in with pink. And after, I decided to add a little bit of white. So if you don't have white, I think a concealer does a great job also. And I hope you can see how well those colors brought out, you know, this look. Yeah, so I'm cleaning with a concealer. Yeah, so I make sure I clean the lips with a concealer as you are seeing, and I like the lip combo. Look at this look. I think the lips are my favorite part of this look. So you remember the powder blush? Yes, so it has a little bit of like a highlighter on it. So yeah, I'm going in with the blush, and then a setting spray that I also got from temu as well. Yeah, and have I broken out yet? No, I've been using temu makeup for like months now, and my face is okay. Yeah, so how do you like the look? I like it. I think the eyeshadow and the lip combo is my favorite part of this look. Yeah, let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Would you try it out? Would you try temu makeup, Shiglam makeup? I don't know, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to, let me know what your thoughts on this look. And don't forget to subscribe. Tap on the notification so that you do not miss out on any new video. Bye. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.